Fix in 5. P0616. Starter relay circuit low, electrical signal below threshold, starting. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Engine fails to crank or start, clicking sound when turning ignition key, no sound or electrical response from starter. Dash lights may dim during start attempt, battery appears charged but vehicle won't start. Now the most likely causes. Faulty starter relay, low battery voltage or dead battery, corroded or loose battery terminals, broken or damaged starter relay wiring, poor ground connection at battery or engine block. How to fix it? Clean and tighten battery terminals and ground connections. Replace starter relay if voltage is confirmed low. Charge or replace battery if voltage is insufficient. Repair or replace damaged wiring in starter circuit. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. What does it cost? Roughly €15 minus 45 doing it yourself, or €75 minus 105 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0616 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0616 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0616. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.